Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I would love to share with you my laptop stand holder. It has been so practical to have my laptop here since it allows me to not have my back hunched back, but to sit in the straight position. I've been loving this because it's eye level, but also you're gonna see this little feature it has here. This allows you to place your keyboard down here, have this eye level and not hurt your neck. Also, you can fix this according to your need. You can push it down, bring it back, and bring it a little bit lower. It's so practical, it's so versatile, it's a great investment, it's very sturdy. Something I also love, it's the little silicone here protectors so your laptop will not be sliding off. I love it. It's nice, practical, reasonable, and it really helps your posture. And that's just my point of view.